Hi guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel, eh? Another Wednesday, another shave, and as you've seen by the thumbnail, we've got a classic lined up for you today. We'll just very quickly run through the project. Very quickly run through the products. There you go. PAA Astreus. There you go. Is that 24mm? 24 or 22. Nice, very nice soft as brush. Really nice brush that lent itself very well to the theme of today's shave. We've got it in the official John Shave Super Soaker. Razor for today, very kindly gifted to me from Mark Davis. Look at that. It's the Holy Black SR-71. This is a chunky little monkey. And what we're going to be putting in that is a razor. I think these were gifted to me by Flash Boredom. Cetwin Platinum. See? Do you see the thing? Platinum. I think I've only used these blades once before. I'm using them sparingly. You see it? Cetwin Super Platinum. I've not got the right way up. There you go. Cetwin Super Platinum. I'm sure it was Flash Boredom that sent me these. Sounds Welsh, doesn't it? Cetwin. Hello, Cetwin. How are you? I'm alright. How are you? Sorry, Wales, if you're watching. There you go. We've put that in there. SR-71, named after the aircraft. Is it the SR-70? Or it's an homage to the SR-70? That's the SR-71. We'll put that in the water next to the Super Soaker. We're going to balm up with Rappor Black Balm. But look at the Soap and Splash. This is what it's all about. There you go. See that, guys? Fines. Look, bought it Pasteur's Pharmacy. That's the original, made in Italy, Italian tallow formula. We'll get that out. I'll show you. This, it's still got the face. Can you see it? I'll try and get it so the light catches it. It's still got the facial imprint. Oh my god, it's their take on Creed Aventus and it's absolutely phenomenal. I bought several bottles of these and that's we're coming to the end of it now. I thought we'd get on with a fine shave today. Not used it for a while, so we're going to wet it through. Please let me know what you think about fine soaps. I've got just one American blend puck left from the Italian factory, and I've got a little tiny bit of the American blend from the original factory in a dish, in a fine American dish in there, which I'm saving. So I won't use the face, although it's already faded. I'll use the back, and what we'll do this. Oh my god, guys. The scent strength on this, I would put it about a 6. But, oh. If anybody out there, and you know about American Blend, then you know, don't you? Oh my word, oh, fine. If you've never used fine American Blend, you need to. Here we go. That's my number one scent of all time. That fine American Blend is just phenomenal. Here we go. And we'll do this. So, it's going to be a bit of a flyer today. I normally film my Wednesday's shaves Tuesday afternoon about 4 o'clock. As I'm filming this right now, Tuesday evening about 7:30. It's just been a long, hard, heavy day at work. And I think it was complicated by the fact for whatever reason, I don't know, I'm not ill, I don't feel ill or anything, but for whatever reason, Wow, that is so slick. Yeah, for whatever reason, Monday night when I went to bed, I slept for about 10 minutes. I woke up this morning and I was absolutely exhausted. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Rich and thick. Bit like me, if I ever come on the lottery. Rich and thick, there you go. That's absolutely fantastic. And I just got some in my hand, put it in the water. This is very slick stuff. And the scent, oh, if you know, you know. The scent is just, oh, absolutely phenomenal. Here we go. So thank you, Mark Davis, for this razor. It's a very, very efficient razor. I haven't even had a shower yet. Came home, went to bed for a nap, got up, just had some beautiful sweet brioche bread, toasted with a little bit of butter on, and a cup of tea. I'm planning on getting out of the shower and having a nice cup of coffee. Before sorting this video out and then having an early night. Because, you know, work's work, but we all kind of have one busy day each a week, and mine's tomorrow. If I don't get a full quarter of my sleep, I'll struggle tomorrow. And I've already seen it today, it's mad busy. So anyway, enough. What do you think of Fine's American Blend? Let me know in the comments. Please click like and subscribe. I had quite a few subscribers the past couple of days. Thank you everybody who's jumped on board. But I know I've said it before. But subscriptions are the best way you can show your appreciation if you like these videos. But if you're watching the videos, please just take a minute to hit that like, the little like button. It doesn't cost anything, but what it does, in the bigger grand scheme of things, it all feeds into YouTube's algorithms. It helps promote my videos elsewhere. Wow. Mega slick. That blade isn't the greatest. That may be why I'm sure I've used it, but I've not really used it since. But it is nice to have. I'll do a cursory glance on YouTube after. From memory, I'm not sure I've seen anybody using them. That brush is absolutely wonderful. The razors after one. These are all products I've used before, guys, because they're wonderful products and I love using them. But I'm saving for a holiday, you know. And I've said it before. There's only so much money coming in. There's only so much you can buy, isn't there? You know. So I've got to find the money from somewhere. You know, savings from somewhere to help contribute and pay for the holiday. So I'm trying to cycle a lot of my old soaps, you know. This razor is very, very, very efficient. If you see the new Top Gun Maverick, the aeroplane we tested at the beginning, I'm sure that's an SR-71 or 72, something. Oh, wow, look at that. Here we go, leather mittens. Let's see what we've got. Look at this, guys. Rich, thick, slick. And there wasn't a lot there, was there? Just rubbing it on the old face like that. Yeah, yeah. The usual suspects. I've used this razor before, and it's a brilliant performer. It is, I think, today, that Cetwin blade doesn't seem like a good pairing with it. But that may be the blade, because it does seem like quite a retro blade. And there you go. Whoa. That's those. Whoa. So please let us know what you think of the products. Let me know what you think of the shape. Wednesdays is always a bit of a flyer, isn't it? But one of these days I'm going to come in here, I'm going to do a serious shave. I am. And then you'll all be shocked, you'll all be sat at home like that going, have we got the right John Shaves 101? Here we go, look at this. We did okay, didn't we, guys? Look at that. That's BBS. Well, DFS. A decent blade, and that had been BBS. That's an efficient razor. Thank you, Mark. Okay. Here we go. Splashkins. Splash boredom. And there's alcohol in this. Oh, you ready? Nothing. Oh my word. That's just pure Creed Aventa, so. Oh, it's absolutely wonderful. We'll finish off with some of this. Do you know the truly sad part is, guys? I haven't even had a shower yet, so when I finish this and put all this on, and I'll be jumping, I'm going to be having the mother of all showers. And then when I get out, I will reapply this. Absolute wonderful, wonderful scent. And that's our shave. Thank you to you all for watching. Thank you for all your support, new comments. The last video did okay, it's getting up there. That's it, guys. Look after yourself, look after each other. Lovely, glorious, bright sunshine. The days are getting lighter and hotter, but unfortunately, so are the nights. Roll on Halloween. Look after yourselves, guys, and I will see you on Saturday. And hopefully, there'll be a treat here for the Saturday shave. Bye.